Hello everybody. In this diagram we have a ball, and this ball is rolling on the floor as shown by these arrows. Okay, so that means the ball is rolling, it is going towards the right side. So this ball is starting from point O, it goes to point A, then it reaches point B, and it finally reaches point C, and it continues. Now if you look at this diagram, this ball, it covers the same distance, 4 meter after 2 seconds. So that means it is going from point O to point A, a distance of 4 meter after 2 seconds. It is going from point A to point B, a distance of 4 meter after 2 seconds. And from point B to point C, a distance of 4 meter after the same time, 2 seconds. So we can clearly see from here that this ball, it covers the same distance, 4 meters after equal intervals of time. So such a motion where the body is covering equal distances in equal intervals of time, that is called uniform motion. Okay, so how do we define uniform motion? Uniform motion, it is a motion that covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. And if you plot a graph between distance and time, you get a straight line graph. Okay, a straight line graph. Now look at this diagram now. The same ball is starting from point O, going to point A, going to point B and point C. But if you look carefully, it is going from point O to point A. It covers a distance of 4 meter after 2 seconds. And going from point A to point B in the same time, 2 seconds, it covers a distance of 7 meters. From point B to point C, in the same time, after 2 seconds, it covers a distance of 5 meters. So this kind of motion is such that the ball is not covering the same distance, okay, after equal intervals of time. That means after 2 seconds, it doesn't go the same distance. You can clearly see it is going from point O to A, 4 meter, and then it goes faster now and traveling a larger distance in the same time. Okay, then it slows down and cover a smaller distance in the same time. So we have another type of motion where the body is not covering equal distances in equal intervals of time, and that is called non-uniform motion. So how do we define a non-uniform motion? A non-uniform motion is such that it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. So as you can see from this graph, you can see that the graph is not a straight line graph, but then it is somewhat non-uniform. It is a curve. Okay, so this is what we are going to study in this chapter 3, uniform and non-uniform motion. Thank you.